So beautiful. No music. The birds is not singing today, but we're gonna try to call them to sing. Yeah, Frankie. Oi, you be careful. So we call now. Birds, where are you? Can you sing for us? So Frankie, don't. No, we go now. We go now. Yeah, very good. Make it louder. Wonderful. More. Yeah, do you hear it, Frankie? Oh, they sing now. No, come, Gemma. More, make it louder. Birds, make it louder. Sing. Now come. Now come, Frankie. So what? Huh? There is... No. Come, we go. Don't eat too much. You have already taken your dinner. It's time to work with me today. It's nice. Come. Come. Oh, this is very... I'm very bad. I let you run in this place. You climb very good. So we need to... You can make more singing birds. Birds. Louder. Can you make it louder? You heard it, Frankie. Come. Now come. Now come. Now come. We go. Now come. We're trying to look for Ayers Wamal. Haba iksi ganix. Now come.